When you're learning to crochet, the first things you need is a crochet hook, some nice worsted weight yarn, in a light color is always recommended, and that's about it. The first technique that you need to know is how to make a slip knot. This is going to be the easiest way to start most crochet projects. So all you need is your yarn, and this can be any color, but I do recommend you always start projects with a light color as you are learning stitches and techniques. So to make a slip knot, I just use my hands and my yarn. I take 2 fingers, wrap the yarn around, and then on the back side, you're going to take another finger, kind of loop it on there and push that loop up, and then grab it and then pull. Now you have a little loop on your hook that you can insert your hook on, and then you can pull the yarn to tighten it down. And that is how you make a slip knot. Okay, to make the slip knot, take your 2 fingers, wrap the yarn around twice, take the other end, push it up from the back side, up to the front, grab that loop. I like to hold onto the beginning yarn here. Take those fingers out and then pull the other end of the yarn. And there you have your loop, and there is your slip knot. Okay, this is a slip knot because you can make it a larger or smaller. And you need that so you can put your hook in and then pull tight to begin your crocheting.